This lesson is going to teach you how to register for classes at WWCC. This is something that I guarantee you'll use every single quarter that you're a student there. You've got to do it to get registered for your classes. So I'm going to give an example of how to register for 2 summer quarter classes. Okay? This will be the same way you register for any quarter. So first of all, I'm going to pop back on the e-schedule real quick and get my item numbers for the 2 classes I'm going to register for. Now, I've spoken with my advisor at length, and they have advised me to take one agriculture class, soil science, same class that we looked at before. That item number is 0069. And they also would like me to take a math class. So I'm going to look up that math class. I am in need of Math 76. So let's see here. I'm going to find math on this list. If I can remember my alphabet, it's in alphabetical order. And I'm going to find that Math 76D class. Now this math class, if you'll notice, is one that has 3 mics next to it. That means this is a fully online course. Okay, I will not be sitting in a classroom. I'm going to be logging into Canvas to do this class. All right, so I've got my 2 item numbers now. Now I'm going to go back to the home page, and I'm going to scroll down to the quick launch here, and I'm going to click register for classes. So I want to register for summer quarter, so I'm going to put in Eddie Warrior's student ID number and his quarterly registration number. Now this is a number that you get from your advisor, or it's listed in your My WWCC after you've met with your advisor. Click on register for summer quarter. Now your name should pop up here. Go ahead and click continue. Now, if this is the first time you've registered, before you get to this screen, you're going to see a few questions. There's a little survey that's given by our state, by the state board. So there are a few questions. There are demographic questions about yourself, what you're studying, where you're going after this. So go ahead and click through those questions. You only are asked them one time at the start of the quarter. If you log in to register again to add or drop a class, you won't be asked those same things again. So this is the point where I will put in the item numbers for the classes I want to register for. And you can put in up to 5 item numbers and click the submit button. So you'll see here that, oh, that math class I want to take, darn it, I didn't meet the prerequisite. So even though I want to take that class, it turns out my placement test scores probably weren't quite good enough to get into that class. So I would have to have a special code from either the instructor or the admissions office if I wanted to have special permission to get in that class. So I won't be doing that right now. Now the other class that I tried to register for, if you noticed in the e-schedule, currently has a wait list. So I'm going to go ahead and add myself to that wait list. So right now I am position number 1 on the wait list, and I'm not enrolled in any classes at the moment. Okay, so there isn't a schedule that I can see there. All right, now if I want to add another course, I could type in another item number, click submit, and ta-da! I just enrolled in CE 100A. That just happens to be online orientation. So you'll see that that does pop up there. If you click finish, you're going to have options on the left-hand side here. You can view your schedule of classes. You can view or remove your waitlisted classes. You can go to My WWCC directly. You can pay for your tuition right then, or pay by payment plan. You can get on the payment plan here. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and remove the waitlisted classes that Eddie Warrior is in. So I'm going to put his student ID number, his registration number. We're looking at summer quarter, and currently he is on the wait list for that soil science class. Now I don't want to actually keep someone out of that class who wants in it, so I'm going to click remove. Simple as that. All right. So that is how you register for classes at Walla Walla Community College. If you need help with that, there is always people to help you at the admissions office, your advisors. They will be there to help.